Can you?
I don't drink and eat for 2 days.
Yeah, we can understand. What's your good name, please?
My name
Yeah,
is Luca.
Izalu.
A little problem because we was very lucky. All the mountains are collapsing. For I think glacier Sarax and a million tons are come down. We was up, very up, out, but the mountain.